there. I can see it. It's very weak.
Oh, that's awesome. That's really... Oh, look at that one! Your streaming camera?
No.
Oh.
This stupid,
Do you have your nice video camera?
it's not working.
What about...
You want to put a report on that? It's in my Nikon camera. Pretty much. Yeah, it is empty. Pop it out the side. Yeah. See that funnel?
Oh, it's huge! It's like, it's coming this way, dude.
We gotta go to that other road.
Are you gonna get your drone up?
Try.
Oh, well.
I mean, we can get in better position.
Oh my God. I mean, it's gonna be gone, but it's, well. You see it though?
Barely, it's over the tree.
Get up on the car.
I tried looking, it's like very faint. I can see it over there.
I got it on my video camera, man. There's funnel. There it is again. It's coming back down. See it?
I'm looking.
Right over the tower that's blinking. Or just to the right now.
Okay,
See that funnel coming down?
oh yeah, I see
There
it.
it is. It's coming down again.
Yep, I see it now.
There it goes. It's...
There, yeah, look at that thing.
Oh yeah. Coming down again. Alright, I'm gonna shut up now.
Yeah, look at that. Wow.
Right behind the windmills. Wish we had a screen, but... Yeah, I saw that. Yep. Yeah, we need to go. That's large hail.
Damn.
Oh, it's getting big again. Good grief.
Look at that.
I know. It's like screwing everybody's day over.
So how you want to do it? You want to go north? Oh,
No.
that's a big one. Let's go.
Enough of that.
I'm going to roll the window down.
Watch your face. Let's not do that. Oh, there's some big ones.
Oh, buddy, you got your drone up.
I'm gonna land this on the car, Scott.
Alright, that's fine. Land it on the glass.
On the glass?
Yeah.
It's a little jumpy.
Yeah. We got it, baby.